Hey, how are you guys doing today? Today we have an HP laptop, HP Pavilion Gaming Laptop, and it's got 12 gigs of memory, a 16 gig M.2 SATA drive, which I'm not a big fan of, with the 1 terabyte combo spinning drive. Kind of slows it down a little bit with that spinning drive. So we're going to be replacing it with a 500 gig NVMe drive, and we're going to upgrade it to 16 gigs of the Vengeance and DDR Corsair memory, and do a little bit of upgrade on this gaming machine that we just got. Alright, so we got the laptop closed, we turn it upside down. You got, on this particular model, there's 3 screws here on the front, and then you got 4 screws here in the back. We already unscrewed those, and we used our prying tool to peel off from the edges here, and we actually got able to get access off the cover. So we go ahead and remove the cover. It's easier for us because we already pried it off. Here's our M.2 SATA drive we're going to remove. And we're going to leave the 1 terabyte drive in there. We're just going to wipe it, but we're going to leave that 1 terabyte drive in there so you can use it as a backup drive. If you have a lot of games, you can install some of your games on there. So you can do whatever you want with that. So here's our memory. We're going to pop those memory DIMMs out. And we're going to install those Corsair upgraded sticks. These are just 6 gig sticks. So we're going to take these out, and we're going to have a total of 16 gigs now. Alright, now we got the memory out of there. Here's our upgraded memory. So you're going to want to make sure you have your pins lined up with the correct notch, and you just slide it in there, push down. Hear those 2 clicks, you're good to go. Same thing, line up the notch, push in, and then push down. Here, there's 2 clicks. Memory's upgraded. That was really simple. Now our M.2 SATA drive, we're going to go ahead and unscrew this 1 screw. It's holding it in place. I'm going to slide that right out. And then we got our 500 gig M.2 SATA. And then just put the screw in. Alright, so now you got that screw back in. This is nice and flush. You got your upgraded memory. We're going to leave the hard drive alone, but we're going to wipe that Windows installation off there, and we're going to put the Windows installation on our 500 gig. We can go ahead and put our cover on because we're done upgrading all of our components. It's going to be a lot better machine now. Alright, we got all of our 3 screws in the front, 4 screws in the back unscrewed, all screwed in. So we can rotate our laptop around. Plug in our Windows 10 already pre-installed installation, and we can get this booted up, hitting I believe F12, and we'll start the Windows installation. Okay, so we booted the laptop up, and it's actually F9. You want to hit F9, and you're going to change the boot order to our SanDisk USB drive that we have plugged in. So we hit enter, and we're going to wait for our Windows 10 installation to boot up here. Alright, we got our Windows installation popping up, so we're going to hit next, install now, and we'll pause this, wait for this to load. Go ahead and hit agree to terms of service, hit next. We're going to do custom because we're going to want to delete all those Windows installation partitions from that other hard drive. So that's going to delete all those. So a lot of them, because there's a recovery partition usually, so that's why there's so many partitions. Okay, so we got the 1 terabyte drive showing up, and we have our new 500 gig NVMe SATA drive. So hit next. We're going to install it on that drive, and this should go pretty quick because, like I said, the M.2 SATA drives are really, really fast. I love them. Alright, Windows installation is done. It rebooted. It is now getting ready, and we're just going to go through that setup process real quick, and then we can format that second drive in Device Manager. So then we'll have our 500 gig with the OS with that fast drive, and then we'll have the 1 terabyte drive for doing backups, or like I said, a second drive just for doing whatever with. Alright, we got our Windows finally booted up here after doing that setup process. So you're going to want to go to this PC, right click on this PC, hit manage, So then we can get to our disk management. Click on disk management, and then you can see our 1 TB drive is there. Right click on it and do new simple partition. Next. That's all probably fine. I'm just gonna name it data, and then it's gonna pop up here in just a minute as soon as it gets them formatting up. You can see it. There you go. So you got your C drive with your 500 gig new drive. That's super fast, and then you got your data drive here for, like I said, games, backups, whatever you want. So there you have it. You just upgraded your HP laptop.